Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. I just got a delivery in today and I wanted to unbox it with you. It's from DLT Trading. They had a recent drop and I didn't I didn't order any this knife during the drop, but I changed my mind after a little while and I just ordered it last week, so let's check it out. Here's my Spyderco Maximet Manix 2. What do y'all think it is? Any guesses? Let's see, what's today? Y'all can figure it out from the date. What's today? The 4th? 3rd? It's like May the 3rd or May the 4th of 2023. Yeah, May the 4th be with you. All right, let's check it out. All right, here we go. Cool sticker, look at this. I don't have one of these yet. I'm glad I got this one. And this is the receipt. All right, this is a Cub EDC 3V Ghost Green Jade G10 with blue liners. As you might know from some of my other videos, I collect this color. It's really cool. I really like it a lot, but let's check it out. Here's the, not sure what this sheath is called exactly, but it's the one. You can use it at multiple positions. It's really cool. And it's a warranty card. And let's check this out. Ooh, look at that. And now for the reveal. That's a good looking knife. I like that. This is in the matte finish. I might polish it up. Maybe not. I'm not sure yet. There's the blue liners. Regular pins. You can see the 3V right there. That's a really good blade design. I like that. I like it a lot. Let me get a rag real quick. Wipe off this blade. Yeah, that's a good looking knife. And it fits good too. Right in the hand. Got that notch for your fingers so you don't slide forward, and it's got a good end right here so it won't slide the other way either. So this is right now just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with some specs and give you a little bit more of my thoughts after I've had it for a couple of days. Okay, so we're back. On the last video, I was talking about, or we showed the unboxing of the knife, and after checking it out for a little bit, I was going to go over some of the specs with you and do a comparison of some other blades that I've got, some other knives. So stick with me. I've got about 4 of them that I want to show and compare the sizes with. But after checking this out, it seems like it's going to be, it looks like it's going to be a really good knife for EDC. I like the size of it. The overall length is right at 8 1/4 inches. Excuse me. But what I like the most about it is that if you're going to be cutting stuff and you're going to be pushing forward at all, you got this finger notch here to keep you from sliding forward, and then on the back it's got a swell back here to where if you're going to be chopping or something, it's not going to slip forward. It's not going to want to slip forward very easily. So that's what I like about it the most. Let me go over a couple of specs on this with you real quick. The blade length is 3.875. Here's a ruler just for reference. 3.875. It's almost 4 inches. Oh, that's the blade length that would be there. So let's try it like this way. Do it this way. Somewhere around there, maybe. Yeah. And then the blade thickness is 0.125. Now stick with me. I forgot to get the coins. I'm going to get some coins and do a thickness test or thickness comparison. And the handle thickness is 0.89 of an inch. And the overall weight is 5.3 ounces. Hang tight. Let me get some coins. Okay, so for those of you that didn't see my last video, or one of my last videos, I had thought maybe I could get some coins because not everybody has a thickness gauge or something like that, or calipers or whatever. So I thought, you know, it'd be nice to have something to compare it to if you don't have one of those. So I thought we'll get a couple of coins. Everybody's got coins, and just kind of compare the thickness. So right off the bat, you know, this 2 pennies is pretty darn close. It's a little bit thinner. Let's try something else. Let's try a nickel and a penny. That's just about right there, a nickel and a penny. For the thickness, let's try a nickel and a dime. That's pretty darn close as well. Kind of give you an idea, you know, to know about how thick the handle would be, or the blade rather. I'm sorry. Excuse me if I say something that's not 100% correct. It's still early in the morning. I just got the guys gone. They're out doing some work. Thought I'd take this time to go ahead and finish up this video. So there's that, and I wanted to compare it to a couple other knives. So first of all, I've got the Cub here as well. You can kind of see the overall size of it. This one came in black canvas micarta, the red liner, and mosaic pin. This one I bought it used. You can see it's got a little bit of wear use on it, and this blade is in CPM 3V. So just a comparison there. Real quick, the overall length for the Cub EDC is 8.25 inches, 8 1/4 inches, and then the regular Cub is exactly 2 inches longer. So it's at 10.25 inches. The blade length on the Cub EDC is 3.875, and the blade length on the Cub is 5.375. Also, the blade thickness is a little bit bigger, and of course the weight is going to be about 4 ounces heavier on the Cub. So another knife that we have to compare to is, I brought some of my knives from my Jade G10 collection with the blue liners. This is the classic drop point hunter. I really like the way the scales came out because they're so thin on the front end and the back end, and it just shows the blue through a lot better. It's so cool. I love it. But for comparison on this, you can see that the classic drop point hunter, the overall length is 8.187, so it's a little bit smaller. The blade length is 3.625, it's a little over 3.5 inches, and this one's about 3 1/4 or 3 3/4 of an inch. And then the blade thickness is 0.156. So actually the blade is a little bit thicker on the classic drop point hunter, just a little bit. You can see that there. Oops. Just a little bit. And this one's got the mosaic pins. This is a really cool knife. I think I got it on DLT when they had some warehouse finds or something like that. I don't remember, it's been a while. But anyways, the next one I'd like to show is from the Jade G10 with the blue liners collection, is the Bravo 1. And this one's just a little bit bigger. Bravo 1 comes in at an overall length of 9.065 inches, which is about 3/4 of an inch overall. bigger than the Cub, as you can see there. So we can see the extra there, extra length on it. Let's see here. The blade length is 4 1/4 inches, and that's about a 1/2 inch longer, just the blade itself, a 1/2 inch longer than the Cub there. Sorry, let me move these over so you can see. The blade thickness is 0.217, and the blade thickness on the Cub EDC is 0.125. So you can, this is a beefy knife though. I mean, this is the standard thickness. You can see how thick that is. Standard thickness on the Bravo 1. I'm wanting to get the Bravo 1 LT in magnacut, but they're kind of hard to find. I should have bought one when they came up on DLT, but I didn't. I missed out, but I'll see if I can get one on the secondhand market. As you can see, both of these scales are matte finish, whereas the classic drop point hunter is gloss. So there you go. Let's see here. Let's move them a little bit more size-wise. Right there and that there. Classic drop point hunter, Cub EDC, Bravo 1, and Cub. Check out that bead. As I was putting everything away to wrap up, I figured I might give you the coin thickness comparison on this Bravo 1. This is a stout, beefy blade. This one, what I came up with, is about 3/4 thick in comparison, just to let you know. All right, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you can, share this video. And I appreciate y'all watching and sticking through the whole video. I hope this coin comparison thing is really helping some people out. If it does, leave me a comment. And as always, we'll see you next time here at the 509. Take care.